still recording. What's going on, guys? Dippin' Diesel back. We're gonna let me fix this mic real quick. We're gonna go for a little drive because you guys have not seen a driving video yet because I lost my GoPro that had all the footage on it from last time when I came out here like 2 weeks ago. So we're at Prairie City, and that part of Prairie City is actually closed down because they're having a motocross event like tomorrow or something, so we can't go over there. So we're stuck to these trails over here, which are pretty fun, and you can still go pretty fast along them. So Gabe is actually recording for me, and he's holding, if you can see this right now, he's holding the gimbal. Oh my god, that shit's hella funny. Right now the suspension is it's pretty good actually. Do a little drift right here. On this turn right here we can drift. This part right here is so fun. I can hit like 60 miles an hour going over all these bumps, which is really cool. So let's get it. 30, 40, 50. We almost lost it right there. 50. See if I can hit 60. Yeah, we just hit 60 right there. I almost lost it back there. The only bad thing is if you're going really fast over bumps, you can lose it pretty easily. You can lose it pretty easily. But yeah, we can hit like 60 miles an hour right there, and it's pretty fun. So we're gonna go to this flat spot up here and do some donuts, because donuts are always fun. So guys, I was getting a lot of good support on my last video where I showed my lift, and a lot of you guys were digging the lift and the new tires. Some people were saying, why didn't you install it yourself? Main reason why is that lift is a weld kit, and I don't have a welder. If I had a welder, I could probably do it myself. And the second thing is, I don't have the time to put that on. You know, I'm always working and doing a lot of overtime right now, and I don't have time to have my truck down. I would only be able to work on it for an hour, maybe 2 hours a day, and I can't have my truck be down and have no way to get to work. So that's why I didn't install the lift kit and make a video of that. All right, let's start whipping them. This thing kicks up so much fucking dirt, but you can just fucking sit here for days just fucking whipping donuts. Woo! Yeah, let's get it! Let's get it! Let's get it! I'm pinned at like 30 miles an hour right now. Oh, yeah. It was pinned at like 35 miles an hour. I'll get out of this dust. Oh man, look at that cloud. Woo! Oh man, that is. We'll get Betzer over here and we'll do some donuts together. Let's go try to find him.